Hello everyone, this is demo for project 4. This is my GitHub repo that I have created, and it has a readme file which explains the steps to build a serverless data engineering pipeline. To start this, I would go to Amazon Web Service and sign into console and go to AWS Cloud 9. So I have already created the project AWS Cloud 9 instance. So I'll just go ahead and open this. So in the meanwhile, you can read out the steps. So once you create Cloud 9 environment, you have to create GitHub repo and clone your GitHub repo to the Cloud 9 instance. Here I have already done that. So it's loaded. So you can see the AWS Lambda serverless GitHub repo is already reflected here. The next thing you have to do is create a Lambda function. To do this, you have to go to AWS resources and just click on this create new Lambda function icon here. So here I have already created a Lambda function named producer. So once I created producer, you can see inside this producer and producer folder there is one Lambda function. So I have copied the code from my GitHub repo and pasted here. So you can go to populate.sqs.py and copy the code. Now you can go to another AWS console, which is AWS SQS, simple queue service. And I have created one test queue here. So you can see the details here, and I get the SQS URL here. What I did is I copied the URL and replaced it in my serverless AWS Lambda function. So here is the queue. Here you can see I am calling DynamoDB resources and table name Fang. So I go to DynamoDB. Here you can create new table, or you can see the tables which are already created here. So you can see I have already created a table named Fang with the company names. So you can see the items. I have created 3 items here: Apple, Netflix, Facebook. Now go to your AWS Lambda, and looks like it's all set. So you can go ahead and deploy. Click on the Lambda function and deploy it. So once it's deployed, you can go to AWS Lambda. Click on Lambda and see we have that Cloud9 producer Lambda, which is modified. If you don't see it, you have to just refresh it. So click on this and you can see the details here. Okay. So I have created one CloudWatch event. If it's not already there, you can add a trigger. And then you can go to the monitoring tab. And see the success rate is 1 and error rate is 0. You can refresh it to see the duration of running. And next we can go to SQS and refresh it. You can see how many messages are available there. So you can go to view messages and see Facebook, Netflix. So you can go ahead and delete messages from here. So that's it. So it's very powerful because we don't have to provision any server, we don't have to control anything, or we don't have to install softwares mostly. So what it does, how does it work is the Cloud9 Watcher monitors things, and the Lambda function can read things from DynamoDB, and it can put messages in queue services. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.